Here's the video for the 2023 EQE 350 Plus rear wheel drive. This gets a range of 279, and this has over $20,000 in OEM packages. This does have the AMG Line exterior package. Cargo cover for privacy. Charger in the car. This does have the 10-degree rear axle steering. Leather seating. Panoramic glass roof. Ventilated and heated front seats. This also has the Pinnacle trim package. Yacht design brown walnut wood trim dashboard. Heads-up display. .21-inch wheels. And there you have it for the 2023 EQE 350 Plus.